Hello friends, I am Shivam Yadav and welcome to my channel iTech Warrior. In this video, I will demonstrate about encapsulation and how to achieve encapsulation. So let's start. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is a mechanism of wrapping the data variables and code acting on the data methods together in a single unit. Class is the best example of encapsulation. Here the example of class ABC, and in this class we declare our methods and variables in a class. Class is the outer body of all the members under the class. So the class is the best example of encapsulation. In encapsulation, the variables of a class will be hidden from other classes and can be accessed only through the methods of their current class. As in encapsulation, the data in a class is hidden from other classes, so it is also known as data hiding. And how to achieve encapsulation? Encapsulation can be achieved by declaring all the variables in the class as private. We achieve the encapsulation by declaring the private members and using C# properties in the class to set and get the values of the variables. So let's do this practically in Visual Studio. So friends, we write a program for encapsulation. Now we create a class program in the namespace of iTech Warrior V. So we create a one more class, public class name and cap, and in this class we declare private members string name age. We declare private members in the class name and age. And now we declare a set and get properties, public string name get return name. Set name equal to value. Age age age. So now we create a set and get properties, and then we create a instance of encap encap en equal to age. So we give the value on the properties by using the instance of encap en. So when declare int okay, here we declare int. So error is not showing. Save and print the values console right line name age age. Save. One more thing, console dot read line. Save and run. So the output is the name Shivam Yadav and age 26 as we expected output. So this is the example of encapsulation. We declare the properties private for hiding the information to other classes. So I hope you understand this example. So friend, this is the basic idea of encapsulation. I hope you enjoy the video and please share my video to friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming video notification.